जय श्रीमन्नारायण। श्रीमद्भगवद्गीता 7th chapter ज्ञान विज्ञान योगमु 18th श्लोक। गीताचार्य श्रीकृष्ण परमात्मा giving his teachings to each and every one of us, including Arjuna. Krishna Paramatma saying that Arjuna, Udaraha means kind-hearted, noble-hearted, generous. What they do? They fulfill your desires. They caters your needs. They fulfill your wishes. Now, I have a wish. I want to give. Whoever approaches me, I want to give whatever they want. That is my desire. That is my wish. But if nobody comes to me, my desire is never fulfilled. Somebody has to come and ask me, Krishna, please give me this, give me that. Then my desire to give away things will be fulfilled. That is why, Arjuna, all these 4 categorized devotees are regarded as Udaras. They are kind-hearted because they come to me. They fulfill my desire to give away things. Whatever it may be that they ask from me. As I said, some devotees asks the wealth what they lost. Some devotees comes to me and asks, Krishna, give me wealth. Some devotees comes to me and asks, Krishna, please help me attain Atma Sakshatkaram. Some devotees comes to me and says, Krishna, I want you. So all of these are considered as kind-hearted because they are fulfilling my desire to give away things. Arjuna, and out of these 4 categorized devotees, one is known as Jnani. I told you that. That Jnani is like my soul. If the soul is not there, the body doesn't exist. So also, if some devotee who asks Krishna, I want you, if those devotees are not there, I won't exist. That means my real identity is lost. So to that extent, they are helping me. They are helping me to sustain my identity. Arjuna, those jnanis, those who seeks me, they cannot live without me, and I too cannot live without them. To that extent, he is attached to me. I am attached to that devotee. This is how Sri Krishna Paramatma giving a very high importance to the Jnani who seeks Krishna, I want you. Having Krishna Paramatma's teachings running in our thoughts, while preparing ourselves to be able to ask Krishna, I want you. Now let us repeat Sri Krishna Paramatma's words as it is. Udaraha sarva evaite jnani tu atmaiva me matam आस्थितः सहि युक्तात्मा मामेव अनुत्तमां गतिम् Om. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do the following. Krishna Paramatma says, always think about me, become my devotee, keep on performing all your prescribed duties as my service. Keep on remembering the fact that you are my belonging and keep doing namaskaram to me. Surrender to me alone unconditionally. Mamekam saranam vraja. Do not cry. Ma suchaha. Keep on remembering my teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. Keep on spreading my Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. If you keep doing like this, you will become my most beloved devotee and I shall liberate you from all kind of sins. Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on performing all my duties as your service. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, I shall not cry anymore. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam. Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam. Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam. Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam. Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava. Putreti tanmayataya taravo vineduhu. Tam sarva bhuta hrudayam. Munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya, Naranchaiva narottamam, Devim Saraswatim Vyasam, Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam Tritiya Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra giving his teachings to Parikshit Narendra, saying that, O Parikshit Narendra, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura, saying that, O Vidura, all the Adhisthana Devatas of all the elements, they are all praying Sriman Narayana like this. O Sriman Narayana, we all together like body to you and we are under your control. O Sriman Narayana, only if you give us energy, then we will be able to work. Only with your anugraham we will be able to perform. O Srimannarayana, that is why you please bless all of us the ability to do this Srushti. Like that, all the Adhisthana Devatas prayed Srimannarayana. Then that Paramatma, he wanted to give that ability to all these elements, and he did sankalpam like that. Then Kala Saugnyam Tada Devim Bibhrat Sektim Urukramaha Trayovimsati Tattvanam Ganam Yugapat Avisat. Then Paramatma, his power, which is known as his ability, which is known as Kalam, with that Kalam, he entered into all these elements at once. Then all these 23 elements started moving around. Then all these 23 elements joining each other. Then the ability to work started coming out from all these elements. And all these 23 elements together brought out one Adi Purusha, who is also known as Brahma, who will be there before Srishti begins. That Brahma brought out by all these elements with Paramatma's sankalpam. And because of Paramatma's sankalpam, this Chaturmukha Brahma comes out due to the changes, due to the transformation in all these 23 elements. Like this, Maitreya teaching the process of Srishti to Vidura. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 7th chapter 18th sloka. Udaraha Sarvayevaite Jnanitu Atmaiva Me Matam Asthitaha Sahi Yuktatma Mameva Anuttamam Gatim. Udaraha sarvayevaite jnanitvatmaiva me matam asthitasya hi yuktatma mameva anuttamam gatim. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.